As you recall in the previous training video, we learned what styles are, and styles are nothing more than a collection of formats. So here I want to show you how you can create a list style. In other words, I have a bunch of items and I applied a multi-level list style to it, one of Word's default styles, but if I want to go ahead and create my own, then come up here on the Home tab to the paragraph group, just like I'm going to apply a multi-level list style, but click on it instead of applying it, come down at the bottom and say you want to define your own. Click on Define New List Style, and then come up here, go ahead and give it a name, and it's going to be a fancy one because I said so. And then we can have the formatting start at 1. Now remember, a style is nothing more than a collection of formats, so we choose the formats down below. So do I want to always start at 1 whenever I apply the fancy style to a list of items here? You can do 5, 10, 20, whatever you want. I'm going to keep it at 1. And then when it comes to the formatting, to the levels, it has to start with some foundation here, so it chose the standard list where you have 1 parentheses, then the subpoint to 1, the lowercase of the alphabet beginning with A, B, C, D, and then subpoint to the subpoint is the Roman numerals lowercase I, then II, and so on. In any case, let's go ahead and say we want to leave the first level alone. Click on the drop down arrow, go to the second level, and then you can see down below that it has that in bold, the subpoint to the main point, so whatever changes we make here will be applied to the second level. I can go ahead and change the font for the second level. Let's do, I don't know. We can type in comic, type in the first couple letters. If it pulls up what you want, then just go ahead and hit the tab key. And you can see that Comic Sans now being applied to the lowercase a in that font type. We can go ahead and choose the size. I'll leave it alone. You can make it bold, italics, change the color, or you can click on the drop down arrow instead of dealing with characters here. Let's scroll down to the bottom and choose a new picture. When I click on that, we've got, let's see, chrysanthemum, tulips. You can use those, or in fact I imported those, or you can use the small pictures down below. You can scroll through all these and find the one that you like. They're standard, or like I did, you can import the picture. Click on import. Let me come up to pictures. Navigate around your computer till you can find the picture that you would like to have in your multi-level list. The desert, double click. There's the desert, double click, and you'll see that pictures really don't help because they're so small in your multi-level list that you may not be able to recognize them, but we'll take a look and see if it's something we like. In any case, you can come over here and decrease or increase the indent. You can see down below that the current indent to the left is at 0.25, then it has a hanging indent at 1/4 inch. I mean, you can make those changes there, or you can come down here, click on the format, and go to font, make additional changes or get additional options where you can go ahead and make it all caps. You can go ahead and do double underline and click OK, but because it's a picture, it's not really going to affect it, so we'll leave that alone. And then you can have this new fancy list style available only in this document or all new documents. So go ahead and choose if you want it as a one-time thing in your document or always available in new documents. Click Okie dokie, and well, it automatically started adding it, but we don't want it to be added there. So to clear that, let's hit the backspace key a couple of times, and we want to apply it to this list. So go ahead and click in here, and then come up here on the Home tab to the paragraph group. Go ahead and click on multi-level list again. You can see there's the list styles right there. Go ahead and click on it to apply it, and in any case, you get the idea here. So that way, because it's now available in all new documents, if I come up here, click on the File tab, go down to New, double click on the blank document, it should be available here. Again, Home tab, paragraph group, click on the multi-level list drop down arrow, and there it is. Cool. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.